Basically, I wanted to do a multidisciplinary production, showcasing music technology, the sonic arts. I've met Amin previously when I did an installation at the substation called Power to the. It was device driven as well, but in that particular instance, we had a surround setup where visitors would be able to use the device to create music on the spot. During the demonstration, I actually got Amin to do a little improvisation, and I thought like, wow, what would happen if you get them dancers or a group of dancers? So that was the idea for the first piece.
The second one is more of experimenting. Like hip hop is a new culture being born to this new modern world, and well, the first part was us getting a feel of the song to our body, because that's how we start. Yeah, we move to the music. So our movement creating the song instead of the other way, the usual other way around. Yeah, and how from that we develop like styles and different styles as you see from my dancers.
So the whole concept is actually music being played back, and different layers of music is transmitted into the air via radio frequencies.
To break that barrier that separates them, they want to be able to embrace the other side. So it's symbolic in their nature, and you see many parts where they were working together, they were engaging with one another, they were not fighting.
It might seem very cliche, but I think from my experience, sometimes being dancers of particular genres, we are very separated. I'm very happy that this is the time I'm working with fellow artists who are very willing to learn, you know, traditional pieces, and my traditional dancers are very willing to learn popular pieces, popular works of art, and coming together and just showing that identity